So, we already know that all current OneLife members can log in and use the Dealshaker platform with their OneLife credentials. But what if you want to sign up a member who is only interested in becoming a merchant? Easy. Open your OneLife back office. Go to the My Profile section of the sidebar menu. Send the prospective member your Dealshaker invitation link. The link will open the Dealshaker sign-up form directly. Users can sign up for the Dealshaker and use the platform right after registration. Now, note that the registration in the Dealshaker platform will again automatically create a free rookie account of the newly signed up member in the OneLife network tree of the sponsor. Another essential detail is that, unlike other rookie accounts, all members with a free account who promote their deals and sell coupons for their deals through the Dealshaker will keep their status as active members as long as their accounts are active in the Dealshaker platform. At stage 1 of the Dealshaker development, as a user, you will only be able to register your merchant profiles and submit your deal applications for approval from our Merchant Administration department. First, let's go briefly over your merchant office. This is your merchant office. It consists of 6 major sections. A dashboard, where you can see your OneCoin and cash account balances, which are identical to the ones in your OneLife back office. Get a summary of your merchant activity. Track how many members of the OneLife network are there in your area that will see your deals. Active Deals section, which tracks all your active deals published on the website. You will be able to see a list with your used or redeemed deal coupons from here and track how long your deal will remain active. Drafted Deals section, which automatically saves all the drafts of deals which you have started creating but haven't finished or submitted for approval. Pending Deals section, which shows all your deals pending approval for publishing. Merchant account, from where you will be able to register your merchant profiles. We will go through the merchant profile registration in more detail in the next tutorial, but just remember that this will be your first step to register as a merchant. Address book is another section of your merchant office to which we will dedicate a whole other tutorial. In short overview, this is the section of your merchant office which allows you to register the places where your deal coupons can be used. Merchant account is a section in your merchant office where you can register your merchant profiles. First, let's clarify what a merchant profile is. The merchant profile is the profile to which you can assign your deals. This also acts as your merchant account from which you will run your deals. Let's go through the merchant profile registration form step by step. The form allows for input in both English and Chinese. You can enter your information in both languages or choose just one of them. If you don't understand English, you can enter your information in your native language. On top of your form, you will notice a status, New. This means that the merchant profile you are trying to register is new and has not been submitted for approval by our Merchant Administration department. The first step of your merchant profile registration form is choosing the name of your merchant profile. This name is like your business username that will be displayed on your deals. If you are a registered company, this can be your company name or a made-up name that users will recognize you by. Step 2 is the description. Put more effort into this section because it will later appear on all of your deals, published from this merchant profile in the business description of the seller paragraph. If you are an individual seller, include some information about yourself, what you do for a living, and why you are registered on Dealshaker. For example, I am an aspiring artist who wants to sell his paintings and promote his art. In my spare time I draw, but I work as a landscaper to make a living. You can visit my website and check out the rest of my artistic work, and supply a link. If you are a registered business or company, include as many details about your business as you feel is important. Your business description will help you build an image and will attract more buyers to your deal. Moving forward with step 3, choosing your merchant type. There are currently 2 types available. Individual sellers. Select this merchant type if you do not have a registered business or company, but want to promote and offer services or products to the Dealshaker users. Registered businesses. Select this merchant type if you have a registered business or company and want to reach out to new potential clients. The Dealshaker platform can benefit you by attracting new potential clients to your business. Once clients visit your business and exchange their deal coupon for your services or products, it is up to you to convert them to loyal, long-term customers. Notice that when you choose the registered business or company, 2 more fields will appear in the form: VAT and company registration number. This information will not be published and will be preserved only in your personal account information. However, the company registration number is a mandatory field for every company that wishes to promote through the Dealshaker platform. Website URL. It is important that you make it easy for potential customers to get to know you and find you easily. Whether you are an individual seller or a registered business, include your website if you have one. This will help merchant administrators approve your profile quicker and gain a better perspective of the type of deals that you will want to publish in the future. Address and phone details. Make sure they are correct. Double check them, as Dealshaker monitors merchants on a weekly basis by randomly selecting and checking provided information in your merchant profile or address book. Unverified information might result in the termination of your profile permanently and deactivation of your active deals. If you need to edit your merchant profile information, make sure you do that in a timely manner. If you are currently promoting a deal through your merchant profile and need to edit your merchant profile details, please write to the Merchant Administration Department, providing your username and the information about the profile you want edited. This will help speed up the process. Otherwise, you will have to wait until the coupon's expiration date. The last field is a common question. What deals are you interested in running through Dealshaker? You can write in free text here. The point is to show what deals you want to publish. Include as many details as you want. That will help the merchant administrators to understand your needs and objectives for using Dealshaker. You can also use examples here. After you have filled in all the required fields, press the Save Changes button to send your information to the Merchant Administration Department. The status will change to Pending after you do that. Approval or further revisions should be received in the next 10 business days after submission. Now let's go over your address book. Addresses are used to serve as a physical location where users who have purchased a deal coupon from you can come and exchange their coupon for the promoted service or product. The registration form includes general information on a location and the contacts of a trusted person who can respond to the client's interest to your deal. The registration form includes the name or title of the merchant address. This can be any name, but keep in mind it will be visible for your potential buyers. If you are a registered business, the best advice is to register your physical locations or offices under the name of the street they are on, or just number them. For example, Flower Shop 1 or Flower Shop 2, If you are an individual seller, think of a name that would best work for you. Since you don't have registered offices, you can choose a name that is recognizable for you, and you will be easy to reach. But we would like to remind you that this information will be visible on all the deals you use this address for. Make sure that the included information is relevant so that clients or customers can find you or reach you easily. The merchant address will be used as a separate business card. You can register as many addresses as you need. Each address can be assigned to more than one merchant profile from the second field, Businesses. It is crucial that you enter your address correctly in the merchant address form, as it will later be used to direct potential clients your way. Step 1 of your deal form is dedicated to creating your deal title and description. We start off with the deal type. Now there are 5 deal types: services, travel, products, home and auto, and entertainment and hobby. If you are not sure which one you should choose the one that seems the most appropriate to you, and our merchant administrators might revise it later to make sure that your deal gets the right positioning. Next, you need to choose your deal category. Each of the deal types has different categories assigned to it. So if you're not finding what you're looking for, just choose Other and the merchant administrators might revise it later. Deal description. Just a little tip on it. Make it as descriptive as possible. Show buyers the real value of what you are offering and what's in it for them. In the terms and conditions, you will see a few checkboxes with the preset terms of use that might come in handy when you are setting your own conditions of use for the service or product you are promoting. Those can vary from have a paper copy of the deal coupon upon visiting the location to please contact our office before ordering to make sure that we have your service or product in stock. Terms and conditions will appear in the detailed page of your deal promotion as coupon terms of use. For step 2 of your deal form, you will need to set the parameters of your deal. We start off with the launch date. This is the launch date of your promotion, or when do you want your deal to be published. Then choose an end date. One general rule that applies for period of promotions published in Dealshaker is that the promotion period can be equal to or more than 14 calendar days. This means that deal promotions need to stay published and active for at least 2 weeks. The delivery method is available in 3 options for now. Let's go briefly over each one of them. Self-organized shipping, which means that once a buyer purchases a coupon from you, he can use the contacts given in your merchant address to reach you, and you will have the responsibility to ship them the item or product. In-store pickup or redeem at location. Choose this option when you prefer that buyers or potential clients come to one of the merchant addresses you include in this deal. This is very appropriate for businesses that want to promote the opening of a new office, studio, shop, or other physical location. Online service. This option accommodates all who offer e-services or e-products, or maybe want to promote their website. However, keep in mind that you need to set clear terms of use for your deal coupons. If you are promoting a website, make sure you include it in the description of your deal, so potential buyers can visit it. The next field requires the full price, value of the deal in euro. Enter the amount in euro that clients would usually pay for your own or a similar product or service. The discount is not mandatory, so you can put a 0% in this field. However, if you put a discount percentage, you will see the discounted price or value of the deal in euro right underneath the percentage field shown in grey. After that, you need to set how many coupons you want to publish for sale. This field is not mandatory. However, we would strongly advise you to put a limitation to the coupons you are selling in order to control the traffic of people to your business. Deal coupon valid from to is how you set the time frame in which the deal coupons purchased for your deal can be redeemed and will be considered valid. This period can be a minimum of 2 weeks. After setting all other parameters of your deal promotion, it's time to set up the price of the deal in OneCoins plus euro. Price setup is really easy. You just need to drag the slider to adjust the percentage position of the deal in OneCoins. For the purposes of easier functioning of the website, the exchange rate of 1 to euro is fixed for Dealshaker exclusively. So when you have to calculate how many ones that 50% of the deal is, it will be calculated automatically. Dealshaker will not charge any advertising fee on the number of promotions published and administered through the platform. However, Dealshaker will charge a fee based on a real, satisfied customer. Fees apply only on used or redeemed coupons. The regular advertising fee is 25% off the cash value of the coupon price. However, if you publish a deal in 100% one coupon price, no fee will be charged. The Featured Deals option will give you a higher priority in the deals listing in the Deals category page. Featured deals are also included in the weekly newsletter. You can run a featured deal with minimum 20% cash value of the coupon price. 50% of the cash value of the coupon price will be charged as an advertising fee. So, in this case, if you run a deal for 50 euro plus 5 OneCoin, after the coupon is used, the featured deals will equal 50% of the cash part of your deal, or 50% of 50 euro is 25 euro for each used coupon.